guys, today on Simply Mercy B, we're putting together another fabulous cookie recipe. Now this ginger cookie just screams holidays, and I'm so excited to share this recipe. We're going to give our cookies a beautiful stamp, bake them off, and finish them off with a lovely honey glaze. Let's go ahead and take a look at our ingredients, and I'll show you how I put this beautiful ginger cookie together. Our cookies are ready. And guys, when I tell you, it smells amazing in my kitchen. It smells amazing. But we're not finished with this cookie yet. So here I have some honey. And we're going to take our honey and we're just going to brush on top of each cookie. Guys, if you enjoy the spiced ginger, you are absolutely going to adore these cookies. These cookies are absolutely great without the honey. However, the honey put them over the top. So my little tip for packaging these cookies, just take a little piece of parchment paper and place between each cookie. So take a look at our cookie, moist and chewy on the inside with a light crunch on the outside. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always remember to keep life simple, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.